Now we are going to see about the third sum. So what they mention, Subbu spends 1/3 of his monthly earning on rent. So he giving a rent for 1/3 amount. They didn't mention some amount. So you're totally earning some amount. You're totally getting a salary, some amount. So that amount you are getting 1/3 of your rent. You're giving 1/3 of your rent, 2/5 of your food, and 1/10 on your monthly usual. So normally you're traveling, your transport like that, you're using 1/10. So what fraction parts of his earning is left with him for other expenses? So the balance money is having, right, that amount should be for the other expenses. Okay, that's why I mentioned what kind of the fraction we have. So in this place we are learning about the ration. So Subbu total salary is, I am getting 1 rupees, means I can divide this like this part. Okay, so usually we are using x value, let the salary is x, but in this place they are asking what fraction you need. So that's why I am taking my salary is 1, my salary is 1. Okay, so with some, so we are having a third sum, right? So third sum, so first of all I know about my salary, then one day I can move, right? So my salary I am taking number, because they are asking a fraction means you know some number only we can use. So the salary I am taking 1. Okay, total salary equal to, let's you take salary is 1 also. Okay, so what kind of the expense you have? So given, what they given? Okay, so what they given? Rent. The rent you are giving 1/3. Then food, for food you are giving 2/5. Then usual expense, normal, okay, expenses you are getting 1/10. What you are going to find out? What you are going to find out? The left amount, the balance amount you are going to find out. But I don't know the total amount of my salary. So I am taking my total, the 1% salary I am taking 1. Okay, so what can I do? In this place what can I do? So left amount is this amount to minus this amount. So total spending. So these are my spending amount, right? Spending amount. What are the amount? High expense 1/3 plus 2/5. So you use this amount, right? So that's why I'm taking this. So taking LCM of this 3, 5, 10 is 3, 5, 10. So first 2 table. So 3, 5, 5. 3 table. So in order to you write now 1, 5, 5. Then 5 table 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 3 into 5, 3. So you first you round off this value. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So your LCM is 30. What is the possibility you have? You having a 3 means, so I need a 5, 2 5s are 10. So except this 3 I am having 2 and 5. So multiply with 10, I am getting 30. I am having denominator 5. So except 5 I am having 2 3s are 6. So I multiply with 6, I am getting 30. Then I am getting a 10. So this is a 10, right? So multiply with the 3, I am getting a 30. So I am having 10/30 plus 12/30 plus 3/30. So I can write common 30, 10 plus 12 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 12 15, 15 plus 10 25/30. I can cancel, right? So 25/30, in which table it cancel? In 5 table. In 5 table 25 for 5 times, 30 for 6 times. So I am getting 5/6. Correct. This is my total spending amount. I spent that amount. Okay, so what they are asking, left at, so total minus my expensive amount means I am getting balance, right? So left amount you are going to find out. The left amount equal to total amount minus spending amount, right? I can write like this. So what is my total amount? 1. What's my spending amount? 5 by. Now only we find out, right? This much I spent. So the same LCMs I am having 1. So multiply with 6, I am getting 6 for my denominator. So I can write common 6. So 1 into 6, 6 minus 5, that's equal to 1 by 6. So what they are asking, what fraction parts of his earning is left. So therefore the fraction part of is earning is left equal to 1 by 6 part. So they are asking fraction part, that's why we are taking like this. Okay.